Your shiny new tech gadget could be stressing your frickin' gray parrot more than you realize. Those interactive toys you thought would enrich their life might actually be causing hidden anxiety. Imagine this: you've just bought a high-tech tablet to entertain your feathered friend. It seems perfect, but beneath that colorful screen lurks a potential danger to their health and happiness. Many parrot owners overlook a critical warning sign. These gadgets, designed to engage, can unleash a barrage of flashing lights and loud noises, creating a sensory overload that alarms birds instinctively on edge for threats. Picture your chatty African gray suddenly becoming withdrawn. You might dismiss it as a phase, but it could be the very device you trusted to enhance their life that's triggering anxiety. Those bright lights may signal danger, while the sounds could ignite deep-seated fears. What's even more concerning is that you might not realize how often these gadgets are around them. What starts as a fun distraction can quickly morph into a source of stress. While you think they're happily engaged, they could be feeling overwhelmed. Take Sarah's experience with her parrot Coco. Initially, Coco was captivated by the vibrant colors and sounds of the tablet. But within a week, Sarah noticed Coco plucking her feathers, a clear warning sign of stress. It was a wake-up call for Sarah, revealing that what was meant to be enjoyable had turned into a source of anxiety. Imagine if Sarah had recognized those signs sooner. It's crucial to understand your parrot's unique personality and how they react to changes in their environment. Not every bird will respond the same way, and that's where the real challenge lays. So, how can you protect your feathered friend? Start by introducing tech gadgets gradually and closely monitor their reactions. If they show any signs of distress, it's time to rethink your approach. Instead of relying solely on gadgets, consider blending traditional toys with technology to create a balanced environment. Remember, it's not just about entertainment, it's about building a safe sanctuary for them. You hold the key to transforming their experience, ensuring it's fulfilling without the hidden risks that come with excessive tech use. Imagine sitting in your living room, watching your African gray parrot play with a shiny new tech gadget. It looks like so much fun, right? But there's a darker side to these seemingly innocent toys. Many parrot owners don't realize the hidden risks associated with interactive tech gadgets. You might think you are providing the best for your bird, but could you actually be jeopardizing their health? Let's dive deeper. While these gadgets may seem to stimulate your bird's mind, not all stimulation is beneficial. Some devices can cause stress or anxiety without you even noticing. Picture your parrot, feathers fluffed up and pacing back and forth. Those are signs that something isn't quite right. These gadgets often feature bright lights and loud sounds that can overwhelm sensitive birds. Imagine your beloved pet, startled and confused, unable to escape the constant barrage of stimuli. What's the real cost of this so-called enrichment? Then there's the issue of dependency. What happens when a parrot becomes so reliant on these gadgets that they start to ignore human interaction? A lonely bird can develop behavioral issues, losing the bond that makes them your companion. The very thing you thought would enhance their life could lead to a downward spiral. But don't worry, there are better ways to provide a stimulation without the downsides. Simple toys made from natural materials or interactive games that involve you can help foster a healthier relationship with your parrot. Before you click that purchase button again, take a moment to reflect. Consider what your parrot truly needs versus what seems trendy. The joy of companionship should never be replaced by a gadget. So, the next time you think about bringing home the latest tech, remember your parrot's well-being might just depend on it. Have you thought about the hidden risks? What will you choose for your feathered friend? Have you ever wondered if that shiny new tablet is actually doing more harm than good for your African gray? You might be surprised to learn that these interactive gadgets could pose serious risks to your feathered friend's well-being. Picture this: you're scrolling through countless videos of happy parrots playing with tech toys. They seem to be thriving, right? But what if I told you those joyful moments might be masking deeper issues that could affect their happiness and health? Many parrot owners think technology is the perfect solution to boredom. The perfect solution to However, there's a hidden downside to this digital playground that often goes unnoticed. What if I told you that these devices could lead to anxiety and behavioral problems in your bird? That's unsettling, isn't it? Imagine your beloved parrot, all fluffed up and chirping happily, suddenly starting to pluck its feathers. You might feel helpless and confused, asking yourself, what am I doing wrong? But have you considered that the very device you bought to entertain your bird might actually be the culprit? Let's explore what's really happening behind the screen. When these interactive gadgets take over, they can disrupt your bird's natural instincts. Instead of exploring their surroundings, they might become glued to the screen, leading to a sedentary lifestyle. This isn't just a minor concern, it can significantly impact their physical and mental health. Many owners overlook the importance of real-world engagement. The whale impoidu po you small one